Hi everyone! Back to one more time. Lights, camera, action! Hi everyone! Last try, okay? Lights, camera, lights, camera, action! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So myself, sharmin, and today I am with a new video. So today I am going to cook something. That's why I am shooting in my kitchen, my little kitchen. So I'm going to prepare egg fried rice. Like I'm cooking for the first time. I don't know what to do, but I'll try my best. So let's get started. One more thing. Today my assistant gonna be my sister. Please welcome her. How are you? So she's gonna help me with doing some special things. So let's get started. So the things required to make fried. How are you feeling? So guys, we are cooking for first time and the quality is very bad. The fan is off because of the flame and we are very tired. But we will not live a hope we do. Right, Awa?